morning, dear students. Today, let us continue the last lesson of business study, entrepreneurship. Before going to know about what is entrepreneurship, let us know the meaning of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship constitutes the driving of force day-to-day market economy. Means entrepreneurship is symbolically said about day-to-day programs. It has four economic factors, that is land, labor, capital and organization. It is very essential for changing business environment in the country as well as the industrial sector. Entrepreneur means the person who does business should be innovator. Innovator means finding new things. So innovator of new ideas and business process. Entrepreneurship or entrepreneur or business people play a very pivotal means very important role in the development of industries as well as the agricultural development and the service sector means tertiary sector. It is very important that entrepreneur is very important to our country. Let us know what are the objectives of this chapter, that is meaning of entrepreneurship and entrepreneur, role and importance of entrepreneurship, self-employment opportunity, self-employment scheme, profile of a new successful entrepreneurs. These are the important objectives of this lesson. Well, let us know what is the meaning of entrepreneur. It is derived from a French word entreprendre, which means undertake some activity. Entrepreneur is an innovator of new ideas and business process. He also manages the skill and strong team building abilities and leadership qualities are the important things that he should have as a businessman. Innovative by organizing a venture to take a benefit of an opportunity. She or he should be innovative in taking opportunity, what, how much and where. And entrepreneur decides what, how and how much of goods and services to be produced. So he has to organize the opportunity as well as find the answer for how to produce, what to produce and for whom to produce. He comes up with the new ideas for products, market or techniques. To put in simple words, entrepreneur is someone who perceives opportunity, organizes resources needed for exploiting the opportunity and exploits it. So in short, we can say entrepreneur is someone who look into the every corner of the market and find out how can I utilize this opportunity and organize how to produce the what are the resources I can organize it and exploit the opportunity which are available in the market and uses more new technology for production purpose. Example, computer, mobile phone, washing machine, ATM, courier service, instant food are some of the example of entrepreneurs' ideas that got converted into products or services. See, these are the new ideas that have been utilized by the entrepreneur for producing economic capital and improvising the productive activity. Then today know about what is the meaning of entrepreneurship. It's a process of an action of an entrepreneur who undertakes to establish his enterprise. Entrepreneurship is a creative activity. It's not a routine or traditional. It is a creative activity. It is the attitude or mind of to seek the opportunity. That is, the entrepreneur has the attitude to seek the opportunity, means to find an opportunity and to calculate the risk, derives benefits by setting up a venture which comprises numerous activities involved in it. So in order to produce many things, or in order to produce a product, he should find an opportunity. How can I produce a new product? For example, nowadays you have a new system of home delivery, food deliveries, okay, like Zomato, all the Zomato. Then you have what else? One more example which can be given, that is Paytm. Then you have Infosys. All these are the companies, these are the child of an entrepreneur. Infosys is simply means it's a dream of Narayan Murthy. Then Paytm is a dream of Vijay Shankar. Then you have Deepinder Goyal, who started Zomato, because we are very familiar. If you want anything, you just order and it will be in your footstep or doorstep, we can say. That is what the entrepreneurship. It is creative. Creative means something very new it is. Entrepreneurship is a philosophy. It is the way one thinks, acts, and therefore can exist in any situation. Let it be a business or government, in the field of education, science and technology, or poverty alleviation, or any other. Means it is a philosophy of varieties of sector. For example, you see nowadays we are watching online classes. That is a new invention in education. So you have we are used modern technology to pass our knowledge to the pupil or the students, we can say. What are the characteristics of entrepreneur? One is creative, dynamism, team building, problem solving, risk taking, commitment, innovation, leadership, achievement motivation, goal orientation, decision making, self confidence. These are the important characteristics of an entrepreneur. What are the functions of entrepreneur? Entrepreneur has to perceive opportunity, plan, organize the resources, and oversee the production and markets. He infuses motivation among his assistants. Most importantly, he has to be innovative and bear risk. See what are the functions of entrepreneur means. First, he has to seek opportunity and plan out the opportunities in a proper way, and he can organize the resources through which resources I can just organize myself in production and learn the marketing situation. And he should be very innovative, very new, as well as he should be able to bear risk. Means he should not lose his heart when he has heavy loss. The main functions of an entrepreneur are: entrepreneurs start business activity by preparing various plans relating to